1inme, one link for everything. 1inme is an all-in-one comprehensive platform that helps you in enhancing your digital presence. 1inme helps you in managing all your important files in just one link. It's great for individuals, businesses, and content creators who want to grow their online presence. 1inme helps you in enhancing your engagement, boosting your reach, and you can also track your engagement and reach with 1inme. 1inme is a perfect platform for all kinds of professionals. To sign up at 1inme, you just have to visit onein.me's website and enter your email and password and you're ready to go. 1inme consists of numerous amount of features like buy link page, shorten links, file links, vCard, event links, statistic sites, and QR code. 1inme buy link page consists customization settings. You can position blog based on your choice. Multiple options are given for image, text, and colors. Customization options are available for the stock types that are colors, background colors, transparency, animation, border, shadows, radius. Each element presence can be defined based on their time zone, geographic location, devices, and languages as per the scheduled time. As if now you have seen customization for each block. Now, in page customization, various options are given for adjusting row width, text color, background color. For background customization, you have numerous amount of options like custom video, image, and color. So, customize your buy link your way. The primary function here for customization is that it can change favicon and font as per the brand requirement. For SEO, change page title, update meta parameters, and use open graph image. These all are brand features that not only gives you branding but also optimize your SEO for global search engine. Alt image text support multiple biolink blocks. This is updated for SEO and branding. Customization of background colors and text colors can be done as per the brand requirements. E-commerce and payment processing with 1inme. All listed modules are fully integrated e-commerce blocks. To simplify payment processing, simply add your payment processor details. This includes processor's name, key ID, key secret, webhook secret. Step-by-step instruction for entire process is given below. Selling and donations with 1inme. Easily sell your digital products and accept donations from visitors with 1inme. To list a product, enter the product name. The product will be displayed on your page. The product file offers several fields such as title, price, minimum price, currency code. Select your preferred payment processor and link the product accordingly, and your product will be directly visible on the platform. E-commerce and blogs overview. Donations. Accept donations from your visitors effortlessly. External item. Link to external products with detailed CTA button. PayPal. Redirect users PayPal for custom product payment. Market. Showcase multiple products with descriptions, pricing, photos, or shopping carts. Price. Display a service or product price list clearly. Product. Sell digital product with ease on your site. WhatsApp item. Add a product image or details so that customers can connect to you via WhatsApp. Service. You can sell and promote your service directly to your customers. With 1inme's integrated commerce system, managing and monetizing your content has never been easier. 1inme's statistic features allows you to track and capture data for every link you share, and not just your buy page. Whether it's a short link, event link, vCard, or any other type of link created through 1inme, detailed insights are available. Even internal links such as those embedded with text, image, and buttons are also monitored. This ensures you receive comprehensive analytics not just for your main page but also for all the internals and externals interaction links as well.